Oh, I don't know. I was figuring like I'd do a magic trick. I'd pull a rabbit out of the hat and say, "Hey, you kids, look, a rabbit. Waabooz, waabooz." That's rabbit in Ojibwe. I know how to speak Ojibwe Moan. Thank you very kindly. Oh yeah, sorry. I keep forgetting that you're not a Anishinaabe eagle. My name is Migazy. What kind of eagle do you think I'd be with a name like Migazy? Oh, sorry. That's okay. Should we start the show? Yeah, go right ahead. Bonjour, Anishinaabe dog, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, um, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm here today with Migazy, Bonjour, Niji, and we're gonna talk about animal names. And you know what? I thought it'd be fun if I did some magic, eh? So you want to see some magic? Are you asking me if I want to see magic? Yeah, wouldn't it be good? Well, sir, begging your pardon, and this is just one man's opinion. What? What's the problem? I don't care for magic. What do you mean? Well, sir, it's just a trick. Yeah, exactly. It's a trick for the kids. Begging your pardon, sir. What? I was taught growing up, on my granddaddy's knee. Yeah? You don't trick children. You don't lie to them, and you don't trick them. No, it's not like it's fun. It'd be like, hey kids, abracadabra. Whoa, look, I pulled a rabbit. I pulled a waabooz out of the hat. Well, sir, that's the same as lying. So if you'll pardon me, sir, I think I'm just going to leave. Oh, geez. Okay. Well, don't go away mad. No, I'm not mad, sir. I just want no part of it. Because this is one eagle who does not do magic. Okay, I'm just going to vanish now. Abracadabra. Oh, wow. Did you guys see that? He just disappeared into thin air. Whoa. That wasn't magic, eh? Okay, so here's my trick. Here's my hat, right? Nothing in there. It's empty. You can see it yourself. And then I'm just going to I'm going to pull a rabbit out of here, right? Okay, watch this. Hey, Grandma. What is it, honey? What's the Ojibwe word for abracadabra? For what now? Ah, never mind. Okay then. Abracadabra. Ta-da! Ta-da! Bum, 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 bum. A rabbit. Waabooz. Huh? No? Hey, waabooz, how you like it? I thought it was a good trick. Yeah, good trick. Okay, waabooz is rabbit. And what do I want to say about that? This is just a stuffed rabbit, I know he looks like some of the people on this show, but I wouldn't hold, I wouldn't hold a person like this. But I do have a story about rabbits, about waabooz, waaboozoog. One rabbit, waabooz. Two rabbits, waaboozoog. Beijig, waabooz. Nij, waaboozoog. Anyway, so for a time, my family lived out close to the Turtle Mountains in a little town called Langdon. And I was a little boy. I think this is in Langdon. I don't actually remember this, but this is a story they told me. My dad, he went out hunting for rabbits. In the Anishinaabe way, we ate rabbits. We used to snare them. Some people still do. And you'd snare a rabbit, and you'd take it home, and you'd clean it, and cook it up, and oh, that was good. But, for kids, it's not, it's kind of like eating a cat. I mean, if you're going to have a pet, how can you eat it? I don't know. But anyway, so my dad was hunting rabbits, right? And I'm like 4 years old. And it's, I think it's like in April or something. And he comes in and he has shot this rabbit and he grabs it with this and he goes, hey kid, I'm so sorry. I shot the Easter Bunny. And I started to cry. My mom got just mad at me. uh, Otherwise, he was a pretty good dad. Okay, well, that's all the time I have for this show. You've been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language. And culture. Okay, I'll see you again. Giga wabamin minawa. Hey, Grandma, what is it, honey? You got any tea? Oh, yeah, I got some tea. I'll make you some. Here, me quitch.